Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. The Ministry of Health on Friday approved the vaccination of pregnant women against COVID-19. Pregnant women may now register on CoWIN or walk into the nearest COVID vaccination center (CVC) to get themselves vaccinated, said the ministry. The Health Ministry has accepted the recommendations of the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization and has allowed pregnant women to get vaccinated against COVID-19. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare further explained the operational guideline for vaccinating pregnant women, counseling kit for medical officers and FLWS and IEC material for the public has been shared with states and union territories for its implementations. NTAGI chairperson Dr. N.K. Arora explained that the increased mortality of pregnant women during the second wave of COVID-19 has led to this decision. During this second wave, it was seen that mortality rates of pregnant women infected by COVID-19 had increased by 2 to 3 times in comparison to the first wave. Under such a situation, it was felt that pregnant women should also become beneficiaries of the COVID-19 vaccine. In case of pregnant women, it involves the safety of 2 lives, the mother and the child in her womb. Hence, the country has decided to vaccinate pregnant women, noted Arora. Arora added that mothers will benefit more from the COVID-19 vaccine. They will remain free from fear and anxiety about coronavirus, he explained. The NTAGI chairperson stated that pregnant women can take the vaccine at any time. As per the decision taken, COVID-19 vaccine can be given to pregnant women at any point of time since detection of the pregnancy. It does not matter whether the vaccine is being given in first, second or third trimester, he added. The procedures and modalities of COVID-19 vaccination like registration, generation of certificates after vaccination, etc. will remain the same for pregnant women as it is for any beneficiaries above 18 years of age under the National COVID Vaccination Program. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.